We're in the decode part of the program, and I'm just going to mimic what was be happening in the project. So I would be receiving my signal, and in this case I would have received 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Alright, now this is my digital signal, and I'm going to convert that to a decimal signal. And this is my ones column times, if there is one. Then I got my twos column, times if that's needed. And then I got my fours column, and that's needed and that's not. My eights, 16s, 32s. It's just a good review of binary. My 64s, which I will need one because of a quirk from the 1960s. And my 128s. Now that I have it in decimal form, I'm able to figure out what the decimal signal is, and that's going to be the sum of this whole row. And of course, for completeness, I want that in binary, so I'm going to use that same decimal to binary. And drop the 0 again, so I got to tell it it's Unicode 8. That's universal code, 8 bits, also known as ASCII. I return. Okay, good. Now so I know this is the letter C, but now I wanted to put it up here in the outgoing message, but last time we took a character and turned it into its Unicode. This time we're going to take a Unicode and turn it into its character. Unfortunately, that's a built-in function. So just the first 4 letters of character. Char, as it turns out to be. And it likes to use the decimal number. That, of course, is why we did do that decimal row. And char 8, and there it is. It outputs the letter C. I'll let you complete the rest of the program from here.